Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we get to work on the track. Many of you have been asking about it, and we're finally getting to work. It's the first beautiful day that we've had in a long time on the weekend, which is when I can actually work on the track. I can't wait to get this done because I want to run on it. So first we are going to take this tractor. We're going to clean off the grass as low as possible. We're going to mark off the track outline. Then we're going to start digging into the dirt, getting it prepped and ready to go. We're going to till it, mulch it up to where it's real fine, and then we're going to let it sit. We're going to go back and do it again, maybe a couple days later or a week later. Then we're going to grade it and then pack it down so we're ready to run. I can't wait to get this going, so let's get started. Hat, check. Sunglasses, check. Mojo in a can, check. Water, check. Let's go. All right, we've got a lot of it mowed, but we have some trees that are in the way. So you already saw us cut down one and push it out of the way, pull the stump out of the ground. But now we're gonna push this tree over and over the hill, get back to mowing. All right. Hey, we got it all mowed. Well, we got it brush hogged, the tall stuff. Now we're gonna grab the mower, the actual mower, mow it out, and then while I'm mowing, my dad is going to till it up right behind me. So big shout out to my dad because he didn't have to do this, cutting down trees, helping to move out of the way, mow. So big shout out to my dad who's awesome. And as far as the location, I know you're wondering which one we picked. So we had a lot of pretty much 1 and 3. However, we found out that location number 1, as you can see on the screen, we use that for hay. So, it's needed. So I didn't want to tear it up, cause a lot of problems. So we decided to not go with number 1, even though it would be awesome. But number 3 is actually a really good spot. After I got to looking at it, it's a lot bigger than what you think. And once we get it marked out, I'll show you a good point of view on it. I'm going to mark out a spot for a good lookout tower, so that way you can see the entire track, and it'll be all marked out as well. So let's get into it. Let's go. All right, we got it all mowed. Now it's time to till it up. We're just gonna till it a bunch and grind it up real fine. And then we'll get a good shot for you of the finished product, but let's get to tilling because I wanna get this thing done. I wanna start running. It definitely won't be today, but we'll get there. It's gonna be soon. Stick around. You can see it's all done. So now we're going to grade it, get all the rocks out of there, see where the leveling's at, so we can fix that if necessary. But let's get at it, let's get going so we can show you the finished product. It's all graded. Now I'm going to give you the finished shot. Now, I couldn't do the smaller track because I might have broke. You know, the John Deere put in some work, but I might have broke it. So I can't do any more tilling. So the small track will have to wait until we get it looked at. But I was able to grade it all and kind of get all the rocks out. I still have some tree roots to move, but other than that, it's good. We can actually run on it, I think. You just need to let it dry a couple of days and kind of run over it a few times and pack it down, but it's good to go. So I'm gonna give you the shot and we're good. All right, that's gonna do it. We're done. That's it. Can't do any more today. I'm tired. I've worn myself out. Mama's making hot dogs. With that said, thanks for joining us. Make sure, if you're not subscribed, you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and follow us by hitting the notification bell so we don't miss any future content. God bless you. God bless America. Be empowered out.